Hey, it's Dave again. I wanted to give you a couple kind of hacks, if you will, for when you kind of get caught in a pinch. And I'll tell you what this means to me and kind of why it's important. I'm really pretty good about staying on my nutritional plan until I get too far off schedule. When I start getting hangry, it starts to get a little bit ugly. Normally, I have about 3 or 4 hours between each of my meals, and when I go further than that, like I am fine. I am absolutely fine for that time period. But once it starts going further than that, it starts getting a little bit not so fun for me. I spent a lot of years on the road in sales and driving, and I'll kind of give you an example of how this would affect me, okay? I would look at my schedule, and let's say I needed to go to the Lehigh Valley on a particular day. It's about a 2-hour drive each way, and I had a couple appointments with some doctors out there. I would get up, I would be all ready to go out the door, I had had my breakfast, and I would pack a lunch. I would look at my schedule, and I knew that I had a 2-hour drive, I had a meeting with a doctor, maybe I had another short drive after that, another meeting with a doctor, and I knew somewhere in there I would be able to have my lunch and come back the return 2-hour drive, and I'd be good. So this was my plan. Again, 2 hours, couple hours of meetings, 2 hours back, one meal, I should be good to go. Inevitably, on that drive home, I'd get stuck in traffic, there'd be an accident or there'd be a problem, and now I'm kind of pushing that timetable. And I'm getting to the point where I've just now missed that post-lunch meal, okay? I guess I should have taken an extra meal with me, and I start getting bad. I see a Sheetz, I pull off the road, and I end up making bad decisions because I'm hungry and kind of starting to panic, if you will. So what I started doing is, just in case, I would kind of keep a little reserve in my glove compartment, if you will. And normally I would just keep like a couple protein bars, just in case, or here I kind of mix up nuts to eat as the week goes on. But I would take some of these and put them in like 1 ounce. I'd weigh out like an ounce of nuts, put them in separate baggies, throw them in my glove compartment, and I would just kind of keep them there just for emergencies. And again, that would satiate me until I get home. I wouldn't be like pulling off trying to find a Sheetz and make a bad decision. Okay. Of course, I'd always have water with me also. So, that'd be my suggestion, especially if you're on the road or maybe even in your desk at work. Just kind of have something like kind of like an emergency fund, just so you don't get in a bad way. Kind of help you stay on track with your nutrition. Make sure that the blood sugar doesn't drop and keep you on point. Okay. Just a couple hacks. Hope that helps. Have a great day.